The digital revolution changed the way that films were made and songs were recorded. Nowadays, it's just about box office collections, just about beating the 100 crore mark. The time of golden jubilees and silver jubilees is long forgotten. But still, we do cherish all our films, or at least most of them, since the past decade. And so, we thought we would get you this experience through the extremely dramatic journey of this production, Bollywood Dreams.
Hello everyone, and before we begin the modern era, which will go on to the finale, and there will be too much excitement happening, and all of you will be in a rush to go home, I would just like to say some thank yous to some people without whom the show would not have been possible. Mr. Sachetan Jalan of Padatik, who conceptualized and directed the whole show. Our wonderful, capable, talented, and such a patient choreographer, Wong Shu, who's choreographed all these dances with her assistant, Pradeep, and the editor, Shuchi, who's worked day and night on the audio visuals, and Rajasthani Mahila Mandal for giving us the space for rehearsals, Mr. Lalit Daga and Mrs. Rajshriji Birla for being ever so supportive and encouraging. And I want to thank Nehru Center for their sound management, Lloyd for bringing Bollywood, lighting up Bollywood, for bringing light to it. And what can I say about the participants? The 110 participants, age right from 4 to 64, who have dedicated all their weekends for the last 2 months coming for rehearsals so regularly and so punctually. And of course, the children of the Salam Bombay Foundations. You saw lots of them here. They were so capable, they were so wonderful and so disciplined, I must say. And they performed so well, the show wouldn't have been the same without them. So I want to thank Salam Bombay Foundation children for making such a big difference to our show. And of course, I must salute Salam Bombay Foundation because they make such a big difference to all these children's lives and their families' lives. They tell them about substance abuse, they create awareness about substance abuse, and they run academies for Indian dancing, Western dancing, the theatre and sports for all these children. So big round of applause for the Salam Bombay Foundation and the children of Salam Bombay. I must say a special thanks to Annabelle of the Bella Academy. After some time, you'll see some graceful little ballerinas on stage. So that's thanks to her. And thanks to Sheena and Aman, who did this comparing. We just gave 2 days notice to them, and they've done a good job, I think. And a big thank you to all of you people here for coming in such large numbers, cheering everybody. Salam Bombay and Sangeet Kala Kendra and Annabelle, all of us, the ladies wing of Sangeet Kala Kendra, thank all of you. Bollywood Dreams was just a dream. And all of you people coming here, cheering us, have made it real. So thank you so much. The new age movies nowadays are revolutionary, offbeat, and sometimes beyond audience's imagination. But just seeing how people of all age groups have come so alive during the rehearsals of this production, Bollywood Dreams, you finally wonder that maybe there is a meaning to this madness that we call Bollywood.
थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, प्यार से लगता।
अक्कड़ पक्कड़ बम्बई बोलो 80 90 पूरे 100 रुपए का दम जो लूं 200 गम हो उड़न छू।
चलो चलो लाइन में आ जाओ।
जहाँ खड़े हो जाते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू है।
कल पक्का आ रहे हो ना?
एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी उसके बाद तो मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनता।
5, 6, 7। अरे आप लोग अपने हस्बैंड को छोड़िए, आइए डांस कीजिए।
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू।
फिल्में सिर्फ 3 चीजों की वजह से चलती है, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट।
मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी।
कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है। आज आप सब ने मुझे मेरी चाहत से मिलाया। थैंक यू वेरी मच। मैं आप सबका शुक्रगुजार हूं कि आपने मेरे ख्वाबों को यकीन में बदल दिया। इतना कि आई फील लाइक द किंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। और आज इस बात का भी यकीन हो गया कि हमारी फिल्मों की तरह हमारी जिंदगी में भी एंड में सब ठीक हो जाता है। हैप्पीज एंडिंग्स।
से नैना लागे, तो से नैना लागे, तो से नैना लागे पिया सावरे, नहीं बस में अब ये जिया सावरे, तो से तो से नैना लागे मिली रोशनी, तो से मन जो लागा मिली जिंदगी, तो से नैना लागे मिली रोशनी, तो से मन जो लागा मिली जिंदगी। तो एक जावेदा जिंदगी है, मोहब्बत तो एक जावेदा जिंदगी है।
Let me feel you in my arms again. Softly you whisper, best friend. A moment is all I am searching for, just a moment in love with you.
beautiful. In a moment, my wish comes true. Save me from the future. Take me back in time. My words, they have no meaning without you in my life. Let me walk the rainbow in times of sweet surprise, to when I was a little girl and I had you in my life. Time has no answer for words left unsaid, for words have no meaning. There's no road ahead.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है señorita.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना señorita. चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या? दो पल को तो आओ हो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या señorita? सुनो सुनो señorita कहते हैं हम क्या?
ये कम बड़ो इसमें है दम नर सिंह है ये सिंघम मन भवर उठे तन सिंह उठे जब खबर उठे के आ है सिंह